This is AVON, like you've never seen before. A new dynamic beauty experience. Introducing the AVON Digital Catalog. An interactive catalog in the palm of your hands, anywhere you go. From lips to eyes. Experiment with different shades and try before you buy. Plus, get product and shade recommendations just for you. Meet the one and only digital catalog, as unique as you are. A rep personalized catalog that is customized just for you. Share something your friends might like. Anything you share can be shopped in one easy click. Experience the digital catalog seamlessly from mobile to desktop. Try it today. AVON, make life beautiful.